Hello. Nowadays, so-called astrologers started abusing Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. But they should not forget that the Kurma Avatara of Lord Vishnu appeared from Saturn. Varaha Avatara of Lord Vishnu appeared from Rahu and Matsya Avatara from Ketu. Then how these three planets can be the point of abuse? Actually, what happened few years back, I saw several astrologers criticizing Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu on their social account, social site accounts. So I prepared a post going against their thoughts at that time. If I am not forgetting uh, that, then this I wrote this post on my Facebook. Uh, I think it was June 9, 2016. So this post of mine was totally against their thoughts about Shani, Rahu, and Ketu. What I say, abusing Saturn means you have no respect for the dignity of labor. Abusing Rahu means you are abusing your grandfathers. And abusing Ketu means you are abusing your maternal grandfathers. Just think about it seriously.